The new Porsche 911 GT3 RS makes no secret of its intentions. It is uncompromisingly designed for maximum performance. The sports car takes full advantage of technology and concepts from motorsport, from its high-revving naturally aspirated 518 horsepower engine to its intelligent lightweight construction. But it's the cooling system and aerodynamic elements of the 911 GT3 RS that connect it most directly with its motorsport brother, the 911 GT3 R. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and reaches a top speed of 184 miles per hour in 7th gear. Combined fuel economy is 21.1 miles per gallon per WLTP. Instead of the 3-radiator layout seen in previous 911 models, the new 911 GT3 RS relies on a large, angled center radiator in the car's nose, positioned where the luggage compartment is located on other 911 models. This has made it possible to use the space freed up on the sides to integrate active aerodynamic elements. These continuously adjustable wing elements, in combination with the two-part rear wing and a number of other aerodynamic measures, provide 409 kilograms of total downforce at 124 miles per hour. It means that the new 911 GT3 RS generates twice as much downforce as its 991.2 generation predecessor and 3 times as much as a current 911 GT3. At 177 miles per hour, total downforce is 860 kilograms. In addition, the front end of the 911 GT3 RS no longer has a front spoiler, but instead features a front splitter that divides the air flowing over and underneath. Side blades accurately direct air outwards, while front wheel arch ventilation is provided via louvered openings in the front wings. Inlets behind the front wheels, in the style of the iconic Le Mans winning 911 GT1, reduce the dynamic pressure in the wheel arches. Side blades behind the intake ensure that the air is directed to the side of the vehicle. Air from the centrally positioned radiator flows out via large nostrils on the bonnet, while fins on the roof direct the air outwards, ensuring cooler intake temperatures in the rear. The interior of the GT3 RS is finished in typical RS style. Black leather, race text and carbon weave finish characterize the pure, race-derived ambience. The 911 GT3 RS is available with the Club Sport package at no extra cost, which includes a steel rollover bar, a handheld fire extinguisher, and 6-point seat belts for the driver. The Visoc package features a carbon weave finish to the bonnet, roof, parts of the rear wing and the upper shell of the exterior mirrors. The front and rear anti-roll bars, the rear coupling rods and the shear panel on the rear axle are made of CFRP and contribute to a further enhancement of the driving dynamics. The rollover bar, constructed from CFRP for the first time, saves around 6 kilograms compared with the steel version. Another highlight of the Visoc package is the PDK shift paddles with motorsport-derived magnet technology, which make gear changes even more tactile, thanks to a more precise pressure point and a clearly perceptible click. A further option available with the Visoc package is magnesium-forged wheels, which save another 8 kilograms. The Visoc pack costs £25,739, or £22,515 without the rollover bar. The new 911 GT3 RS is available to order now, priced from £178,500. Customers will also be invited to explore the potential of the new car, and further develop their own skills behind the wheel, by participating in a bespoke driving experience around the unique tracks at the Porsche Experience Center, Silverstone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.